Today we are going to study the new lesson of block 4, that is solving equations and inequations. That is lesson 1 from block 4, solving equations by transposing method. Before going to that, let me explain to you what are these linear equations. So, linear equations are those equations which are expressed in the form of ax plus b, which is equals to ax plus b equal to 0, where a and b are integers, x is the variable. See, this linear equations, it has only one solution. Because x is a variable, you're finding the solution for x. I repeat again, linear equations are those equations which are expressed in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are integers, x is a variable and it has only one solution. So you're finding the value of x. Let me explain to you taking one example about this linear equation. Now look at this equation. It is in the form of ax plus b. Ax plus b is equal to 0. Just like linear equation general form. Understood? So look here. Ax plus b is equal to 0. Understood? Therefore, 2x is equal to 8 minus 3. That is, I am shifting this 3 towards the right hand side. This is called as transposing. I'll explain to you that in detail. Just to explain to you about the linear equations, I have shown this sum. So, 2x is equal to 8 minus 3. 2x is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. X is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, according to the linear equation definition, it is in the form of linear equations are expressed in the form of ax plus b, where a and b are integers and x is a variable, and it has only one solution, that is x is equal to 5 by 2. Understood? So, linear equations, it can be solved by moving terms from one side of the equation to the other side to isolate the variable. To isolate this, that is like this, to isolate this variable, linear equation is solved by moving the terms from one side of the equation to the other side. In this process, the inverse operation is performed. See, here the inverse operation is performed means plus a becomes minus a. Minus a becomes plus a. Inverse operation, isn't it? Similarly, multiplication will become division and division will become multiplication. Understood? This is called as transposing, moving the terms from one side of the equation to the other side to isolate the variable or to find out the solution for that variable. This is called as transposing. See, these are the 4 things you have to keep it in mind. What happens is, in this type of equation, say x plus a is equal to b. So, you have to shift this terms towards the right hand side of the equation. So, to isolate this variable or to find out the solution for this x, what happens is x plus a is equal to b. So, x is equal to retain this b as it is. inverse operation is performed here. I am shifting this A from left hand side of the equation to right hand side of the equation. Can you see here? X is equal to B. This plus A becomes minus A. That is, addition changes to subtraction. So, to bring the terms towards the one side and the variable on the other side. Here also, look at this equation now. Subtraction changes to addition. See, x minus a is equal to b. X is equal to, retain this b as it is. Now, I am shifting this minus a to the right hand side. Can you see? X is equal to b plus a, isn't it? Similarly, multiplication changes to division. This is a multiplication sign. Don't get confused as x here. Okay. This is a multiplication sign. Multiplication sign will becomes division here. Just bring it down. That is, ax is equal to b. X is equal to, retain this b as it is. This multiplication sign, when it goes down like this, becomes division. Understood? B by A. This is nothing but B into 1 by A. Okay. B by A or B into 1 by A, which is nothing but B by A. Division changes to multiplication. This is the division part, which is, this goes up like this, multiplication. Let's see this example. X by A is equal to B. Just cross multiply like this. X is equal to B into A, BA. Understood? This is how transposing is made. Let me show you one example sum so that you will understand properly about this concept. Okay. Look at this example. 5x plus 3 is equal to 13. So, this is a linear equation. What is the definition of linear equation? It is in the form of ax plus b equal to 0, where a and b are terms, integers, x is a variable. So, you have to find out one solution according to the definition, isn't it? So, 5 and 3 are integers and x is the variable. So, now you have learned transposing method, isn't it? I have explained it to you. So, now what I am going to do is, I am shifting this 3 towards the right hand side. That is 5, which implies 5x is equal to, retain this 13 as it is. According to the side, tip of that, plus 3 becomes minus 3. According to transposing, 3 from left hand side to right hand side. That is, addition becomes subtraction, isn't it? So, 5x is equal to 13 minus 3. How much? It is 10. Now, once again, what I am going to do, I am applying this transposing method here. What? X is equal to a into x, which is equals to x by 5, 10 by 5. Similarly, x is equal to 10 by 5 and multiplication will become division. Once again, transposing method, multiplication is converted into division here. Transposing 5 from left hand side to right hand side. When multiplication is there, it changes into division. X is equal to 10 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Therefore, x is equal to 2. This is how you will solve the equations of linear equations by transposing method. Look at this one more example sum based on this linear equations. Solve 160 is equal to 2 into 80 minus q plus 40. So 160, this plus 40 I am bringing it towards the left hand side. It becomes minus 40 is equals to 2 into 80 minus q. That is transposing plus 40 from right hand side to left hand side. Therefore, 160 minus 40 is 120, which is equals to 2 into 80 minus q. Therefore, 120, I am bringing this multiplication sign 2 into x. You consider it as like this, 2 into x. I am bringing this here 2 down, which is equals to 80 minus q. That is transposing 2 from right hand side to left hand side. That is 2. This is in the multiplication sign. When it comes down, it becomes division, isn't it? 120 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 60s are. 60 is equal to 80 minus q. Now, I have to make this as positive. Understood? It should be positive. This variable should be positive. What I have to do? I am once again bringing this variable towards the left hand side. Transposing q from right hand side to left hand side. What happens? 60 plus q is equal to 80. Therefore, q is equal to 80 minus 60 to get the solution. That is transposing 60 from left hand side to right hand side. 80 minus 60, q is equal to 20. So this is the answer. I hope you understand this. Okay. This is the sum. Fill in the blanks to solve the equation. 3 plus x is equal to minus 4. They have given the blanks here and here. And you have to find out the solution that x is equal to how much. How will you find out? See, put 3 plus x is equal to minus 4. So, you have to substitute that. So, 3 plus x is equal to minus 4 means, look here, minus 4 minus 0 is equal to minus 4. That is minus 4. Shift this plus 4 on transposing, you will get 0 as the answer, isn't it? Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. That 0 is in the blank here. Understood? I repeat again. 3 plus x is equal to minus 4. That is 3 plus x, they have given it as minus 4 here. Substitute that in this equation. Minus 4 and bring this plus 4 here. So minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled, which is equals to 0. That's why you will get 0 here. Understood? Therefore, 3 plus x minus 0 is equal to minus 4. That is minus 4 minus 3 is equal to x is equal to minus 7. Okay. Look at these two sums. This is the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. Therefore, 2z is equal to, I am transposing this 14 towards the right hand side. Therefore, plus 14 becomes minus 14. 2z, 28 minus 14 is 14. Z is equal to, once again transposing this plus 2, multiplication to division. That is, this becomes division here. 2 1s are 2 7s are. Z is equal to 7. Look at one more example here. 17 is equal to 2 minus 5y. I am bringing that 2 from right hand side to left hand side. That is transposing. 17 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. So to get this variable positive, to bring the variable positive, I am shifting this minus 5y towards the left hand side. I mean transposing. If I bring this, this becomes 0. 5y is equals to minus, and once again this I am transposing towards the right hand side. That is minus 17 plus 2. This can also be written as, you can take this as 15. Okay, 17 minus 2 is 15. This can be written as like this, minus 17 plus 2, or you can take it as minus 15. Either ways you can do. Okay. 5y is equals to minus 15. Y is equals to minus 15 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. Y is equal to minus 3. Understood? Okay. Look at this third sum. It is like this. 8 plus x plus is equal to 3 plus 6x. So, once again, transposing the variables towards one side and the integers towards the one side. That is, plus x becomes minus x. When it goes to right hand side, this plus 3 becomes minus 3. So, 8 minus 3 is 5, which is equals to 6x minus x is equal to 5x. I am writing it like this. Just to make the problem easy, 5x is equal to 5. X is equal to multiplication will become division. 5 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 ones are. X is equal to 1. One more sum. It is like this. X by 2 minus 7 is equal to 3 plus x by 4. It is like this. So if nothing is there means, I have told in my previous videos also, you have to consider it as 1. Therefore, if 1 is there means, you should find out the first and the foremost step you have to do is find out the LCM. That is 2. So if you find out the LCM and do the sum, x into 1, 2 ones are 2 minus. So 1 2s are 2, 2 into 7, 14 is equal to, once again 4 is the LCM here, 1 4s are 4, 4 into 3 plus 4 1s are 1 into x. X 1s are x minus 7 2s are 14 by 2 equals to 3 4s are 12 plus 1 x are x by 4. Just cross multiply it to bring it to the standard form. 4 into x minus 14 is equals to 2 into 12 plus x. 4x minus 56 is equal to 2 12s are 24 plus 2x. 4x, bringing the variables again towards the one side. 4x minus 2x is equal to 24 minus 56. 24, this is minus 56. When it comes towards the left hand side, this will become plus 56. Therefore, 2x is equals to 80. 24 plus 56 is 80. X is equal to, once again multiplication will become division, 80 by 2, which is equals to 40. X is equal to 40.